Good day. I am Giselle Acosta Lagra, 19 years old and a second year student of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. This would be my video for the second question, is there affects morality? For the final requirement of the course Ethics, section F1. The question that needs to be answered is there affects morality? But before that, we will first define morality. So, morality means the set of standards that enable people to live cooperatively in groups. It's what societies determine to be right and acceptable. Sometimes, acting in a moral manner means individuals must sacrifice their own short-term interest to benefit society. Individuals who go against these standards may be considered immoral. Morals are the rules which people use to guide their behavior and thinking when an individual is dealing with or capable of distinguishing right or wrong. So my answer to the question, is there affects morality? My answer rather is, there is no such thing as fixed when it comes to morality. Because what is acceptable in your culture may not be acceptable in others. Geographical regions, religion, and life experiences all have an impact on moral. They also tend to shift and change over time. Ideas about whether certain behaviors are moral, such as premarital sex, same-sex relationships, and cannabis use, have also evolved over time. While the vast majority of the population once considered these activities to be wrong. As we are in this present time, the vast majority of the population considered this to be acceptable, especially in those countries that are liberated. For instance, this what we called contraceptives are still taboo to some of the countries. One of them is Philippines. Contraception is considered immoral in some regions, cultures, and religions. It is considered moral in other parts of the world for a reason that it reduces unplanned pregnancy, manages the population, and lowers the risk of sexually transmitted diseases. While some moral principles, such as fairness, appear to transcend time and culture, morality is not fixed in general. Morals are thus the principles that guide individual behavior within society. And while morals may change over time, the behavioral standards still remain by which we judge what is right and wrong. A person whose morality is reflected in this willingness to do the right thing, even if it is hard or dangerous, is ethical. Morality protects life and is respectful of others, all others. It is a lifestyle that is consistent with mankind's universal values. We often think of morality as fixed. However, we have observed that simply because we are attached with the presence of someone we care about, that can highly influence how much importance people place on certain moral values. That would be my answer to the question, is there affects morality? This is Giselle Acosta Lara once again from Ethics Section F1. Thank you.